Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing all well. So if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Pooja, and in this video I'm going to discuss with you it is a continuation of my series that discusses with the important portions of civil procedure code for cracking judiciary examination. I have already made two previous videos on this subject, on this topic. If you guys want to check it out, I'm going to link it down below in the description box. And I have also made similar videos on other subjects like constitution and torts. So I will make a playlist and link it in the icon. So if you guys want to check it out, you can check. So today in this video, I'm going to discuss with you the chapter jurisdiction and the important portions you need to study in them to crack judiciary in the first try. So without further ado, let's get started. Before I start with my video, I'd like you guys to know that the book I'm referring for civil procedure code is C.K. Tagwani, and this is the book I'll be referring in all my CPC videos. So if you guys want to buy it, you can buy online and from other bookstores. So I also provide law classes for judiciary and law students. So if you guys are interested for classes and have any queries and want to join my classes and have queries regarding the fees and the class structure, there is a WhatsApp link that I will share in the description box below again. So make sure if you want to join, you can check it out and join my classes. So let's that's a lot of rambling for around 1 minute. So without further wasting time, let's get started with the video. So this chapter jurisdiction is very important for main examination, and the important points that you need to study are like the meaning of jurisdiction, lack of jurisdiction, kinds of jurisdiction, jurisdiction of civil courts, suits of civil nature, and presumption as to jurisdiction, exclusion of jurisdiction. These are the important topics you need to study. Now, what are the important portions that you need to study among these important topics? So, obviously the introduction is very important, where you get a brief idea about the jurisdiction. Then let's come to meaning. Jurisdiction may be defined from there to come to next page, pecuniary value or local limits. Then come to jurisdiction and consent. It is fundamental principle. From there come to next page again, and it is enforceable. Then come to lack of jurisdiction. In other words, from there to if the suit no jurisdiction to do up till there. The Supreme Court observed from there, no jurisdiction to do. Now let's come to basis to determination of jurisdiction. It is well settled. From there to written statement. Next paragraph, the plaintiff. From there to substance of the matter, not to form. Then come to next topic, decision as to jurisdiction. This is very important, the whole topic, whole para. Kinds of jurisdiction, territorial jurisdiction, the whole thing, pecuniary jurisdiction, the whole thing, jurisdiction as to subject matter, the whole thing, original and appellate jurisdiction, this is also the whole thing you have to study. Jurisdiction of civil code, section 9, under the civil code. From there, condition the cognizance of such suit be barred. Then come to suit of civil nature. What are suits of civil nature? Meaning in order from there to of civil nature. Then nature and scope, the expression from there to now been clarified by. Suits of civil nature, illustrations, you have to study them well. The following from there to all those illustrations, suits against expulsion from caste, etc. Cognizance not barred, a litigant. From there to have to study up till the next page, not barred. Similarly, from there to time not ousted. Suits impliedly barred, there the whole paragraph you have to study more or less. Presumption as to jurisdiction, you have to study the whole, just read through it, it's not very important. Exclusion of jurisdiction, a litigant. From there to must be clear. Ill-leading decision of Secretary of State versus Mask and Company. From there to Dear. Again in Rajasthan State Road Transport Corporation versus Krishna Kant. From there you have to study the whole observations of the court. Point number 7, next page, industrial dispute. General principles, you have to study the whole, just go through it. And that's it for chapter jurisdiction. Chapter of jurisdiction. Next, we are going to study about res sub judice and res judicata in my next video. Hope you guys liked my video. If you have liked my video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share my video with as many people as you can, so that others can be aware of the things I share. And stay tuned. Take care of yourself. See you guys next time. Bye bye.